So guys, as I told you on my thumbnail and on the title of this video, that I said you can be able to make 100,000 naira monthly by reselling data, airtime and some utility bills. So here we are on the website. This is the website. It is VTU Express. So as you can see, this is the website here. This is, they say, welcome to VTU Express. Here at the VTU Express, we offer you the most affordable and most cheapest data, airtime, DSTV, GoTV and StarTime subscription. Here is right place for your electricity subscription. So you can see at the left hand corner they say login, and at the right hand corner they say register. So as I have already registered in this site, let me just log in so that you see what this website contain. And we all know that in this generation and in this nowadays, without data you cannot even survive it. Without data we cannot feel comfortable at all. And here is the site that can give you the data at the cheapest price compared to other sites. So as you can see, I have just logged in right now, and they even have a application on Play Store. They say if you can get application, if you like to use application, then you just go to Play Store. You will see it here by clicking this button here. So let's go straight like this. And again, the best part of this website is that immediately you register, you will be entitled to have like 2 bank accounts. You have Wema bank account. You can also have Fidelity, where as in bank account, but mostly is Wema here. Look at it, Wema bank account. This is my bank account now. And any deposit you make on your wallet here, they are going to remove 50 naira charges. That is, if you deposited 1,000 naira on your wallet, you are going to get 950 naira. So look at it now. Look at it now. This is it now. Okay, and decide you can upgrade to affiliates. You can upgrade to top user. So the more you upgrade, the more the price of the data will be reducing. So let's go straight to, okay, look at it now. Look at what they offer. They offer airtime top up. They also offer buy data here. Then they say electricity bills. Here they say cable subscription, and here they say bonus on to wallet. This one there is bulk SMS and so much more, like my referrals. Also, you can refer person and earn 500 naira immediately per each referral you refer. So let's start with data, because most of the people now, they prefer chatting instead of making calls, because chatting is the most easiest way to just communicate with someone far away, even if from abroad, without spending much money on airtime. So let's just enter the data and see the price of the data they offer here. And you as a reseller, you can buy it at that cheapest price and sell it at a normal price they used to sell outside there, and make your money there. So let me just show you how this thing is. Okay, let me see. I'm clicking on data now. Buy data. You will see the price and everything, the price list they have here. You will see everything here. Okay, just keep on following. You know, data is very important. Like me now, without data on my phone, I won't feel comfortable. It's as if I'm losing something very very important in my life. Okay, let me click on this data now. I believe that now it's gonna open, because I have a little problem. Okay, here now, look at it now. Here they say you should choose the network. Then you now click on network here. When you click on network, you choose the type of the network that you are using, and the type of the data that you wanted to buy. Let's assume I choose MTN now. I want to buy MTN now. Then this here below this button, they now say data type. So the data type that you wanted to buy, which one are you willing to buy? Is it corporate gifting? Is it gifting or SME? So I prefer for you to go for SME like this. So when you click SME now, then you now come put your mobile number here, or the mobile number of the customer that you wanted to send the data to. You understand? If you are not buying data for your own self, if you are buying that data for customer that give you his own number to help him send data, then you now come write his number here on the place that they write mobile number. Then after writing the number, then let's assume I put this number like this. Let me see 091644645151. This is a mobile number. Then you now choose the plan that you wanted to buy. Is it 500 MB? As in this SME, 500 MB is just 135 naira, and it lasts for 30 days. Is this not amazing? This is very amazing. Then 1 gig, that is 1000 MB at the rate of 240 naira. And think of how much you are buying it, the normal price you are buying it outside there. And think of that. Okay, if you are trying to sell this data to somebody now, think of the gain that you're gonna gain. There are some places they are selling 1 gig at the rate of 500 naira. There are some places that they are selling 1 gig at the rate of 200 and 400 naira or more than that. And here, look at it, is 240 naira, and it lasts for 30 days. Look at 2 gig here, amazing, 480 naira for 2 gig. And look at 3 gig here, 720 naira for 3 gig. This is just amazing. Look at 5 gig now at the rate of 1200, and also 10 gig for that matter, 10 gig at the rate of 2400 only, and it lasts for 30 days. Is it not amazing? So the same thing with other networks. They are very, very cheap. Look at it, they have Glo, they have 9mobile, they have Airtel. There is so much more for you to earn from this site, and they give cheapest things, as in cheapest things. Also airtime also. There are so many people that, okay, they would like to buy airtime and they can't move out there to go and get airtime. Yes, they can't move out there to go and get airtime. So can you just fund your wallet here and start buying your airtime from this site? You can buy, yes. Just don't worry. If you wanted to get this if you want to register to this website and start making huge amount of money monthly, or I can say weekly, then there's a link in my comment section. I pinned a link on my comment section of this video, and in the description of this video there's a link that you can be able to just follow that link. Just get yourself register on this site and start making money immediately. And don't forget, please, if you find this very, 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 very site valuable, and if you find this content very valuable, please try and like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow me on my Facebook page, that is Legit Intel Reviews, because I'm reviewing so many stuff that you can make money online. That is what I'm reviewing in my site and in my page, in my YouTube channel, and on my TikTok and different social media platforms. So just don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much, and we shall see you in another amazing video that I'm yet to drop. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all.